Good morning to the respected principal, loving and caring teachers, and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to be here to share my views about Teachers' Day. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day all over India. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. When Radhakrishnan became President of India, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. It was his wish that his students dedicate this day to tribute the teaching profession instead of celebrating it as his birthday. Since then, we celebrate this day as Teachers' Day in every year. Teachers' Day is a day filled with lots of joy and happiness. On this day, we students to tell our teachers how and why they are special to us. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. They are like our second parents who mold our personality and provide a bright future. They impart good values in us and transform from us into responsible citizens. Students all over the country celebrate this day to pay respect to their teachers. But this year we are not able to celebrate this day on a larger scale because of lockdown. Our teachers are taking tireless efforts to teach us through online education system. They are doing their best level to save our own academic year. We are thankful to them for all the efforts they are taking to us. On this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day, I take the opportunity to express how much students love you, all the teachers. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you.